Hello and welcome to the solution of this exercise. In this exercise, the goal is to draw the following symbols in Opentoonz. By the way, you can find the course on Udemy and Skillshare. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description. Start by creating a new vector Toonz level. Another way to do this is to click on the icon on the top of the X sheet. Activate the geometric tool and choose polyline. Set the size of the line to about 4. Draw a triangle with 4 nodes or control points on the canvas. Activate the control point editor tool. Click and drag the top right line segment of the triangle to create the top right bump on the heart. Repeat this for the top left line segment. Adjust the direction nodes to give the shape a smoother, more organic feel. Add another color to the level palette and set it to red. Select the Fill tool and then color in the heart. Diamonds. Use the geometric tool with polyline to create a diamond shape. Use the Fill tool and the red color to color it in. Use the control point editor to adjust the edges. Clubs. Use the geometric tool with circle to create a simple circle. Use the Fill tool to color it in with the black color. Select the circle using the selection tool. Use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste it. Use the selection tool to move the duplicate to the right of the original. Press Ctrl+V again and move the third circle to the top. Use the geometric tool with rectangle to create a rectangle and fill it in using the Fill tool. Spades. Use the geometric tool with circle to create a simple circle. Select the circle using the selection tool. Use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste it and move it to the right. Use the geometric tool with polyline to create a simple peak for the 2 circles. Use the geometric tool with rectangle to create the stem. Fill in the entire shape with the Fill tool. Finally, use the control point editor tool to fine-tune and adjust the edges.